Guys, in this video I will show you how to change back your language to English on your Instagram app or Android. So in the last video I changed the language from English to another language on my Instagram app. So in this video I will just change it back. So I will just open the Instagram app on my phone, and as you can see the language app, and click on these three lines on the top right, and there you go. As you can see the language has been changed. I will just click on this first option, the gear icon. Click on this option and then scroll down a little bit and click on this language option right here. As you can see the language has been changed. So to change it back to English I will just select English, and there you go. Your Instagram app language has been switched back to English. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.